Hey guys, what's going on? Sit. It's a very good boy. Cisco and his little mate. What are you guys doing? Hmm? What's going on? Hanging out with Cisco? And your dog? Huh? Sit, Cisco. Sit. What's it? You like that? You like Cisco? Yeah? Say sit, Cisco. Say sit, Cisco. There's a good boy. Uh-oh, here comes another puppy. Say sit, Boca. Now you got two puppies. Sit down. There you go. Look, you got two puppies on you. Sit, Boca. You're a very popular kid.